I'm building a Shopify store from scratch. I've got no product, no website, no ads, no customers. My goal is to make $183. Why that amount? Well, because that's how much you need to earn per day to match the average American salary. Okay, the time has officially started. We've got 24 hours to make this work. Now, in order to be profitable within such a short time frame, we need to have a solid plan. So let me go to the whiteboard and show you what our master plan is. We need to find first a product that has a high demand, because that's the only thing that can enable us to make $183 in profit in just 24 hours. We also need a website. This needs to be high converting, and what this means is that, well, people trust us. Finally, step number 3 is we need ads, but we have limited content. Since we only have 24 hours, I haven't got time to order the product to myself. I haven't got time to make any ads myself. I need to look on the internet and see what's available and try and make some high converting ads with the limited content that's online. And hopefully by the end of 24 hours, this plan right here will give us the profit. Okay, so as you saw, the first step is finding the product. And since we've only got 24 hours, I'm gonna skip the guesswork here and get straight to the point, because there's no point in me trying to make a product work as the first person in the world when there's thousands of successful e-com stores already out there selling products that actually work. So what I want to do is I want to find those trends of other e-com stores selling a product, then put my own spin on it and hopefully jump on that trend. I usually find my products on either Trend Rocket or Winning Hunter or Facebook Ads Library. So I'll go through all of those softwares now and see what comes up. Okay, I've gone through Trend Rocket now, I've gone through Winning Hunter. There were a couple of options, but now I'm heading over to my favorite method, which is definitely Facebook Ads Library. The first thing that I'm seeing right here is it's really an odd product. Look at this right here. It's I don't even know what it is, to be honest, but I can see someone here is scaling with this one. They have multiple ads for this product, and you know, I can just tell this is a typical dropshipping site. The site is very bad, to be honest. You know, they are running ads with this product, which is crazy. The price point is okay, so we can click on view ads for this brand, and you see they're running 56 ads right now. And so what I think this is it's a very niche product. I think it's not something you'll see a lot of competition in, and that's sometimes exactly why it can make sense. These guys are selling it successfully in Denmark, but they've got a terrible site. Maybe if we come in with a way better site, we might be able to beat these guys. As you can see, I've already spent an hour on this challenge so far, so like the clock is ticking. I found a product that I think can work. It's the wooden chopping device or whatever, and I really think we can do well with it. Here's why. It has a price point of above 80 euros actually, which is very solid. That means we need to sell 3 units realistically only at this price point to hit our target. The competitor that I saw, they're running multiple ads, but their site, it is so bad. In addition to that, many times in my career, I've seen so much money being made in those, you know, very niche products that most people typically don't want to touch. Since we also have a limited time here, I've got 2 options. Either I build the site like I always do from scratch, or we try and use AI. There are a bunch of AI tools out there which can actually build your entire site for you. So I figured this is the perfect opportunity for me to utilize that, get a more set up site, and then I'll go in and do my tweaks just to get a step ahead. Alright, this is the site that we got. It's not too great. That means I'll get started building the site from scratch, and then I think I'll try and spend some more time looking at some AI store builders later probably. The site is finally done. It's been 2 hours, I think. Now it's time to do the ads, and we need to try and make some great ads. So a great tool that I can definitely recommend is Denote. It's also like they have free trials. They are great at getting ad inspiration. Plus, once you're in the ads library and you find ads that you like, you can save it to Denote because they have a Chrome extension. And so that does that once I log in here, I have all the ads that I like from the competitor. Then I can really see clearly what are they doing, I need to be doing, and yeah, hopefully do something better. Okay, here we are. So this is the ad.
præsenterer den elektriske brændekløver, den hurtige og ubesværede måde at forberede brænde på. Med kraftfuld elektrisk kløvning klarer den nemt selv hårde træstykker, så du sparer tid og kræfter.
I actually ended up getting great content, both from the supplier, but also from online, which the most important thing at this point. So I'm actually very happy with this ad. Like, one thing that could of course have made it better was if we had a real influencer actually talk into the camera like I do right now about the product, but that's not possible since we have such limited time. Okay, it's been 6 hours at this point, so let me show you what we've got. I've been to the shower, I've got a shave, and now it's pretty late. I've been working non-stop on the store today, except here like for the past 30 minutes where I just took a quick break. It's time to turn the ads live. Now, I will be honest with you, I'm gonna start this off on a way higher budget than usual because we've only got 24 hours. So I want to see some sales as soon as possible. So usually I would start off something like this at around, €5 daily. I'm gonna do €50 daily here. I'll catch up with you tomorrow, and now I'll get some sleep and rest. Alright, very late yesterday I turned on the ads and I woke up to the news of actually our first sale, as you can see, which we got yesterday. So that's pretty exciting. The issue though is that we haven't got a sale since, and the challenge stops in around a couple of hours. So if we don't get that extra sale, then we won't make it.
Right, so we didn't succeed with the challenge, we didn't get an extra sale within the 24 hours, but something totally different happened. And I need to sit down for this because the first day you've already seen revenue numbers, and this is the next day, okay? Boom. €460 in revenue, 7 orders, day number 2. And that's crazy because we've only spent around €100 here on ads. So that's a ROAS of 4 on day number 2. That's second to none. Unfortunately though, I can't use this in the challenge since it was after. But yeah, that's mental. We've really crushed it here. So I'll definitely get someone from my team to continue running this brand, and I'll keep you updated down the line. Finally, I want to mention to you guys that of course this is not the first time that I've done this. So naturally this might be a bit easier to me than it is to you, but listen, I was a beginner at one point again, and now I've had multiple of these Shopify awards right here from Shopify. And on a daily basis, I actually do coaching for a certain amount of people. So if you're interested in working one-on-one with me, check out the link down in the description.